So something has been bugging me about my Nintendo Switch. My Switch dies in a few hours, but Voyager's been going since the 70s. What's the deal? So I did some research, and the secret is, it's not a battery at all.
It's nuclear power. Well, kind of. This is so cool, check it out.
It's called an RTG. Think of it like a nuclear battery that turns heat into electricity.
And get this, Voyager doesn't just have one, it has 3 of them working together. The magic ingredient making all the power is something called plutonium-238. So the plutonium naturally decays, which gets super hot, and special devices turn that heat into power. And by super hot, I mean over 1,000 degrees Celsius. That is insane.
The best part? There are no moving parts, so nothing can really break. It's just pure physics.
Which brings me back to my question. Why can't I have this technology in my Switch?
Yeah, well, a few big reasons. It's radioactive, super expensive, and honestly, not very efficient.
So does this mean Voyager's power will just last forever?
Not quite. At launch, it made about 470 watts. Now it's making less than half that.
It's actually fading pretty slowly, losing about 4 watts of power every single year. Because of that, NASA is turning off its instruments one by one to save every last watt. So what's going to happen when the power is finally gone for good? It'll become a silent time capsule, carrying a message from Earth into deep space. Just drifting between the stars. Maybe forever. How awesome is that?